Hi students, next one is Tollens test, that is silver mirror test. So what is the use of silver mirror test or Tollens test? This is the test for aldehydes. It is test for aldehydes, that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Generally, what is Tollens reagent student? What is Tollens reagent? The Tollens reagent is, that is ammonical silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate is called Tollens reagent. So here this Tollens reagent is not available in lab, but we are always freshly prepared. We are always will freshly prepared. That is how to prepare Tollens reagent student. Now take the that is Tollens reagent example. That is the Tollens reagents. What are the how to prepare that is Tollens reagent student? That is first one is, now take the silver nitrate, that is AgNO3. When AgNO3 react with ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, this NH silver nitrate dissolve in ammonium hydroxide to form a silver oxide is formed. Ag2O is formed. Ag2O, that is silver oxide, that is precipitate will be formed. Precipitate will be formed. Then after that again react with ammonium hydroxide. This precipitate again dissolve in ammonium hydroxide, again ammonium hydroxide to form a complex, silver complex is formed, that is AgNH3 taken 2 times plus and OH minus. This is called Tollens reagent. This is called Tollens reagent. This Tollens reagent is present in basic medium, that is OH minus present in basic medium, and this positive charge belongs to silver. This silver is the positive one plus 1 oxidation state. This silver is the plus 1 oxidation state. This is the simple trick student how to prepare, that is ammonical silver nitrate, that is AgNO3. When AgNO3 dissolve in ammonium hydroxide to form Ag2O, that is precipitate is formed. This precipitate again dissolve in ammonium hydroxide to form, that is silver complex is formed, that is Tollens. This complex is called Tollens reagent. It is in, that is it is called cationic complex. This is positive cationic complex. This cationic complex present in basic medium. This is called Tollens reagent. This Tollens reagent present in basic medium. So this is the freshly prepared ammonical silver nitrate students. Ammonical silver nitrate student. So this Tollens reagent to identification of aldehydes. This Tollens reagent used for aldehydes. This positive Tollens test. This positive Tollens test that giving only for aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. This aldehyde group student, you remember, when aliphatic aldehyde, this aliphatic aldehyde in the presence of Tollens reagent to form acid. This as aldehyde group is converted into acid in the presence of Tollens reagent. This is aliphatic aldehyde student. Now to the aromatic aldehyde also. Aromatic aldehydes in the presence of aromatic air means, that is aromatic aldehydes react with Tollens reagent. It is also giving acid group. This aldehyde group is converted into acid. This aldehyde is oxidized with Tollens reagent. This Tollens reagent act as a mild oxidizer. Tollens reagent is a mild oxidizer, not strong oxidation. It is a mild oxidizer. This Tollens reagent cannot oxidize with, that is keto group. This Tollens reagents cannot oxidize with, that is keto group, that means acetone. Example, now take the acetone. When acetone react with Tollens reagent, that is TR means Tollens reagent, cannot oxidize. You remember student, this ketone, these acetones do not give positive silver mirror test. You remember student, acetone do not give positive silver mirror test, but aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes it gives positive silver mirror test. Student, this is very most important student. I will give chemical reaction for Tollens reagent student. I will give chemical reaction for Tollens test student. Example, now take the when acetaldehyde student. Now take the, I will take 1 second. Now take the acetaldehyde example, when CH3CHO, when acetaldehyde, 1 second, when acetaldehyde react with Tollens reagent, first step is Tollens reagent, that is AgNH3 taken 2 times this positive plus in the presence of basic medium, student, in the presence of basic medium OH minus, to give this aldehydes, this aldehyde group is converted into acid, student, but these are in ionic nature, these are in ions in nature, these are in ionic nature. So, we get that is CH3COO minus, these all plus and minus, positive and negative charges are this ionic in nature. So, to form ion, that is acetate ion is formed, that is CH3COO minus, plus then Ag is formed, plus then ammonia, plus then water. This is the final production. When acetaldehyde react with Tollens reagent, when acetaldehyde react with Tollens reagent, student, this is not balanced. Now, take the here 2 moles of Tollens reagents and 3 moles of OH minus, and one more thing, 2 moles of here, 2 moles of silver is there, that is 2 Ag. Then here 2 to the 4 moles of ammonia are there. So, 4 moles of ammonia plus and water, that is 2 moles of water. This is the balancing reaction, student. That is when acetaldehyde react with Tollens reagent to form Tollens reagent in the presence of basic medium to form acetate ion plus silver. You remember, student, in this complex the silver oxidation state is +1. In this reaction silver oxidation state is +1. Why? Because the positive charge present outside of the box, outside of the complex. So, this generally this silver oxidation state is +1. This +1 oxidation is converted into neutral, student. This +1 oxidation is converted into neutral. This is this +1 oxidation state, +1 oxidation state is converted into neutral, from +1 to neutral. So, this is called reduction. In this step is called reduction. Silver ion is converted into silver, that is called reduction. That is silver is reduced, student. Here silver is reduced, but here when acetaldehyde, student, this acetaldehyde group is converted into this aldehyde unoxidized. In this step is called oxidation process. This is oxidation when acetaldehyde is converted into acetic acid, but acetate ion is formed. This step is called aldehyde is converted into acetate ion. This is called oxidation, and silver ion is converted into silver. It is called reducer. In this step is reduced. The silver is reduced. The silver is reduced. That is Ag plus 2 is going to Ag. This +1 oxidation state is 0 oxidation number. The silver here 0 oxidation number. This is the simple reaction, student. This is the chemical reaction of Tollens reagent, student. This is the simple trick, student. Now, here this is the Ag is the silver is there, that is silver mirror. This is called silver mirror. This is called silver mirror. This is called silver mirror test. This reaction, this Ag is called, that is silver mirror, that is white precipitate is formed, that is called silver mirror. This is the simple trick, student. So, this Tollens reagent, the Tollens test or silver mirror test, ketones does not form. You remember, students, ketones does not form. Silver mirror formation takes place. You remember, students, when freshly prepared Tollens reagent, react with ketones, what happens, that is does not form. Silver mirror formation takes place. And one more thing, student, that is freshly prepared Tollens reagent, that is freshly prepared ammonical silver nitrate react with aldehydes to give, that is silver mirror formation takes place, student. To give silver mirror formation, when aldehydes react with Tollens reagent to form a silver mirror formation takes place, but when ketones does not react with Tollens reagent, ketones does not react with Tollens reagent, do not form. Silver mirror formation takes place. It is very, very most important, student. And one more thing, student, the Tollens reagent, it oxidized only for, that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehyde is converted to acid group, and aromatic aldehyde is converted to acid groups. Aliphatic aldehyde is converted to acid, and aromatic aldehyde group is converted to acid. This is a very, very most important, student. Some exception cases, that is alpha hydroxy ketones. Alpha hydroxy ketones also react with Tollens reagent. You remember student, it is very most important student. Alpha hydroxy ketones also react with Tollens reagent to form silver mirror formation takes place. You remember student, alpha, see, this is a exception case student, but all ketones do not react with Tollens reagent. Ketones do not react with Tollens reagent, but alpha hydroxy ketones also react with Tollens reagent to form silver mirror formation takes place. It is very most important student. Now example, that is CH3CO, then CHOH, then CH. This is functional group student. This functional group beside is alpha carbon, right hand side alpha carbon, left hand side alpha carbon is there. So this is called alpha hydroxy group. This alpha hydroxy group oxidized with Tollens reagent. You remember student, this alpha hydroxy ketones oxidized with Tollens reagents to form diketone, CH3CO, then CO, then CH. This is the very most important. So this is exception cases. This is the exception cases student. It is very most important student. And one more question student, that is formic acid also. When formic acid oxidized with Tollens reagent, to give, that is carbon dioxide and water. This is also very most important. This is very most important student. So generally Tollens reagent can oxidize it, that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes, both are giving acids, but ketones do not give positive silver mirror test. You remember student, ketones do not give positive silver mirror test, but aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes to give positive silver mirror test. This is the simple trick student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.